so it's your friend again, Captain Praveen, and today on a very popular demand, we are going to make a video on how to get job outside of the campus placement. These are COVID times and campus placements are very, very low, rather they are negligible. A very few companies came only to the top colleges of Delhi University. Other than that, most of the colleges, there were hardly any placements. And if there were placements, the companies took either one, two, or even no candidate from the campus. So, what do we assume that there are no jobs? No, it's not like that. There are jobs, but at times the companies don't find the right fit. So, today we are going to discuss how to get jobs outside the campus. So, let us understand that what are the ways in which companies fill up the vacancies. So, classically, it is divided into two types, internal sources and external sources. Now, it is very important for you to understand both these sources. Internal source is through transfer from one department to another or from one location to another. Then there are internal promotions. Companies prefer to give promotions to their own staff because this is a right way of retaining your talent. And the employee reference or recommendations. If we come to the external sources other than the campus placement, they have advertisements, social media, employment agencies, and job consultants. Now, let's see what are the sources used by the job seekers, that is, people who want job. Look at this pyramid here. The most important strategy we use for seeking a job is we go to media ads or we go to e-media job portals like naukri.com, etc. And the second step we take is we go to the job consultants and request them, hey guy, please get me a job. Then we go to LinkedIn and social media contacts. And the last strategy we use is references. Now, if we look at the strategies which are used by the companies or the corporations to hire their manpower, the first and foremost policy they use is internal promotions and transfers. Then they recruit or they give jobs through references, through their own existing staff references. And the last option for them is portal ads or job consultants or social media and so forth. So if I put both these structures, pyramidal structures together, you can clearly see that the job seekers are just going the wrong way. The companies used internal promotions and transfers, which you have no control over because they are not hiring, that means. The second strategy used by the companies is their employee references, which you see in the pyramid that has been made for the job seekers. That is the last option for them to use the employee references. Now, the problem is what to do. So, please, you have to understand that first of all, if you go on to a job consultant and tell him, hey guy, get me a job, he has no incentive. You are just one more candidate or one more CV in the line. For him, every potential CV is the amount of money that he is going to get from the company, which is something like 30 to 40% of your annual CTC. So he has no incentive whether the candidate A gets placed or the candidate B gets placed or candidate C gets placed. Similarly, if you go to the job portals, you are just one of the candidates for them. So, what should you do? Please understand every company has talent acquisition director. So, you will have to go to find out the connection with these people, and you can approach them through LinkedIn, you can approach them through your friends, you can approach them through your relations, you can approach them through your acquaintances. When you approach the talent acquisition directors, you cannot write to them, hey, I am looking for a job, please give me a job. Kindly don't play a victim card. That's not going to help. What you can do is how you can find the references. First of all, your college alumni is very, very important. Get in touch with your college seniors, get in touch with your college alumni, write a nice mail to them, connect with them, find out what were their achievements in the college, what were their interests in the college, which club were they in, and then connect through those sources. So this is one way. Second is if you want to connect with talent acquisition directors and you write a straight mail to them, they will not reply to your mails. They are not bound to reply to your mails. So you can look for some common friends in your LinkedIn. If you see there are certain number of common connections, so through that common connection you can approach the HR or the talent acquisition director, and instead of straight away writing to them to give you a job, you can share your few articles, you can share your few write ups, you can share your opinions on certain projects, that things which are happening in the company or which are happening in the corporate world, but it has to be pertinent, it has to be relevant to the work that the company is doing. Another important thing which I have found is that we are hesitant of communicating our requirements. Please understand that if you are a job seeker, you need job, you need to talk to people around you who are placed highly in various companies and tell them that what are your strengths and weaknesses, how you can make a positive contribution in companies, and how you are looking for a job. Please understand it is the basic human nature to help each other, and I am sure the people, your acquaintances and known people that you will approach will definitely love to help you. So guys, get it straight that you got to have your references, approach people, write to them, look for common connections, and instead of hunting on the job portals or going to the job consultant and requesting to him or pleading to him, those are some of the options but not the first options. So I hope this video is of help to you. Please keep sharing and liking it, because my aim is to create a community of students who can help each other through their experiences.